So, yes, guys, I don't know if my audio is coming loud or not, but thing is, my update, I'll just share you guys what's my latest update. Okay, so what I did, I made my recent game in Android Studio, but thing is, I was not feeling like confident. I don't know because I had directly switched from like without knowing entire basic to building an app. So what I did now, right now, I'm just learning Kotlin, like core, that is basic thing. Like from Kotlin, then I'll switch to like XML, and then I'll go to Bootstrap. Okay, and during right now I'm just learning basic Kotlins. So in this video right now I'm just learning arrays. I know I've done them in Java, but still I'm going through arrays again. And yeah, and secondly I'm learning now Japanese. In December I'll be going to give my first exam, and that will be N5. I've not yet registered. Most probably next month I'm planning to register, because there are two exams, and one will be in July, okay, and the next one will be in December 7th, I think so. As I've seen, the nearest offline, because they happens offline only. The nearest offline exam center is Pune for me. So yeah, I'm learning small words now, and I'm just following this fellow's tutorial. I'm just very helpful to me. I'll show you guys. Okay, these are very helpful. It's zero Japanese from zero. So I finished till now only three lessons, but yeah, time is there. So thing is, if you see, it's now May. So let's say today is the 30th. Almost now it's midnight, 12 a.m. So I'll consider as the 31st. So let's say from June. Okay, June, July, August, September, October, November. Okay, I'll just June, July, August, September, October, November. Okay, and then in December I'll be like the exam will be there. So I have like almost 6 months now. So I think I'll be able to crack my N5, and simultaneously I'm working on Kotlin as like I'm learning, and my end goal is I want to, since I know I'm switching job and it's very bold move, but thing is I have I have a goal. Thing is I want to get a job in Japan. So yeah, and this videos now I'll post them daily. I know, and like for sure. I'm working offline behind the scene. I'm working. I'm grinding. I'm studying. But thing is I was not uploading them. So yeah, but I think I should document this videos, and I'll be posting them on my LinkedIn as well as. So yeah, uh, this is it. Yeah, that's it. Bye guys.